What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to present to you the phishing tuna. Okay, so how this project works and how to get started. Okay, this project was launched today on Binance Smart Chain. So you will need BNB and you will need to be on Binance Smart Chain in able to interact with this ROI Dapp. This ROI Dapp has been stamped by the stamp team. Okay, and they found no backdoors, no malicious codes that can allow the owner to withdraw all the funds from the smart contract. So this project is good to go. The overall score is 71 out of 100. Okay, this daily ROI DApp, the daily ROI goes from 1% all the way to 1.6%. This project also has a referral system with two levels. Level one is 6%, and level two is 2%, but they also offer this competition strategy, which is additional percentage for top 5 referrals. Okay, so if you are one of the top 5, okay, the level 1 instead of being 6% will be 8%, and the level 2 instead of being 2% will be 3%, and you will have additional bonus of 0.4% from each deposit of all phishings. Okay, cool. Minimum deposit 20 bucks, maximum deposit half a mil, minimum withdrawal 1 USDT, minimal reinvestment 1 USDT, and maximum profit is 250%, including your deposit. Every time you deposit, each investor will be granted 1.5% of their deposit as Tuna tokens air drops. Okay, scrolling further down, let's find more information about the project. Okay, so Tuna tokens max emission is 5 million. Okay, 70% goes for DEX, 20% goes to distribution up to participants. Okay, 1 mil, and 10% goes to SEX. Okay, and owner privileges. Owner can add supported tokens other than USDT. Owner can specify the address of the Tuna token and the token per contract. And owner can start the contract by specifying a start time. Every time you interact with the smart contract, every time you make a deposit, you will pay a 4% tax on that. Okay, and that's that. Right, so enough of that. Let's go over to the phishing tuna website. By the way, guys, um, link of the audit smart contract is going to be in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so how to get started with this thing? Okay, so you come over here, connect your wallet, and you hit play now. So once you hit play now, obviously I haven't connected my wallet yet, but you got to connect your wallet. You will see this page right here. Over here is where you can manage your accounts. Okay, you got a deposit, withdraw, and reinvestment. Okay, so before you get started, before you withdraw or reinvest, you gotta make a deposit. You come over here, you select the amount that you want to deposit, you hit make a deposit, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, so first you will approve the amount that you want to deposit, and then you hit deposit. So once you hit deposit, you will start earning 1% daily. Okay, so as you can see right here, you deposit 200 bucks and you'll get 2%, bucks every single day. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, 24 hours later, you can come over here, select the amount that you want to withdraw, and hit withdraw. The money will go to your wallet. Or if you prefer to compound to earn more rewards in the long term, you can reinvest. All right, and over here will show you how much your daily profits will increase. Okay, cool. So over here is where you're gonna buy and sell the Tuna tokens. And you might be asking, why do I need the Tuna tokens? Because if you buy the Tuna tokens, you can increase your daily ROI, daily percentage from 1% to 1.2% or 1.4 or even 1.6, which is the highest. Okay, in order to do that, you gotta buy Tuna tokens. You gotta buy and hold the Tuna tokens. Okay, so if you buy 100, you get an extra 0.2. You buy 200, the extra 0.4, and you buy 500 Tuna tokens, you will buy zero. You will have 0.6. Okay, so I think you will need to hold 800 Tuna tokens in order to receive the maximum daily ROI. Okay, so let's go back So once you are up and running with the project, okay, it is that simple. You are good to go. So you can claim your rewards every 24 hours. Over here, we got the dashboard. We can see the fishermen's, okay. Obviously, the project just started, okay, so we only got 20 fishermen's. Smart contract has 3.8 thousand USDT. Contract balance of fishing 3.8K, contract balance 3.6K, and days of work 0 days because this thing just started. Down here, we have the FAQs. Like I said, minimum deposit 20 bucks, maximum half a mil, etc. I'll explain this. When and how often are profits accrued? Profits accrued every 24 hours for each of your deposits. And again, you can have multiple deposits. Okay, how many Tuna tokens do you receive from each deposit? You will earn 1.5% on every single deposit you make. Okay, and the tokens in proportion to the current Tuna rates. Okay, so over here we can see the Tuna graph right here. We can see the Tuna was launched at 0.00 something, and now the current Tuna price is at 0.033 bucks. Okay, just did 123% in the last 24 hours, which is crazy, right? So I also sniffed this token on honeypots, and doesn't seem to be a honeypot. Okay, so that means you can buy and sell the token. And over here on the DEX screen, you can see more information about the Tuna token. We can see the top traders, you can see the holders, and you can see liquidity, etc. Okay, so if you are interested in this project, I would recommend you to come over here and do your research about it. Okay, cool. Let's go over to what is the Tuna token and what the benefits does it provide. Okay, so the Tuna token not only increases your daily ROI, but you can also make money by buying low and selling high. Okay, so if you bought Tuna token around here, now you almost triple your money. Okay, simple as that. You buy low, sell high. That's how it goes. Okay, so can you find out how much money the smart contract has? Yes, right here. Okay. Um, do you receive any bonus? Yes, there is a referral system. Okay, like I said to you, so the standard referral system, for the regular people, you get 6% from level 1 and 2% for level 2. But the top 5 uh, best referrers, okay, will receive 8% for the level 1 and 8% for the level 3, and additional 0.4% from each deposit of all fishing. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, can you get the deposit back? No, you cannot. Not refundable. Is the project safe? Yes. It's been stamped by George the Stamp, or the Stamp the team. Okay, so is good to go. And over here we can see the smart contract of the project, okay, and we can see the smart contract of the Tuna token. Okay, guys, that being said, I think everything is all covered. By the way, guys, I would recommend you to come over here to the Telegram chats. Okay, currently has just over 100 and something members. Okay, probably need to refresh this. And if you have any questions about the project itself, just come over here and ask as many questions as you want, and somebody from the team will get back to you ASAP. That being said, guys, all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.